Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm the old man bully Mark Peace. Today we're gonna do our last dessert bread type dish, and then we're moving on to doing some smoking and some Italian stuff and combining it. It's gonna be really exciting this weekend. I look forward to sharing that video with you. But on to today, we're doing a healthy banana bread. So first things first, let's wash our hands. Clean hands are happy hands. And now I'm at home. I'm not in a restaurant. I'm not in some high quality place, so it's okay. You can touch your face, you know, you can do all that kind of stuff. You're not gonna get anybody sick here, so there. And now I've preheated an oven to 325 degrees. I've taken a 9x5 baking pan. Glass is okay for this one. If you're doing breads and that, you want to use metal or ceramic. But for this one, glass is good. I've greased it, and I've just got it set aside so that it's there when I'm ready. Now, I'm going to take 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour. You can use white whole wheat flour if you want, or if say you want to go gluten-free, use gluten-free flour. There's options there. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, and just so you know, I use sea salt. Now, you can use table salt if you want. I just prefer sea salt. And we're going to put that in there, and we're just going to whisk it all up and bring it all together, just like so. And then we're just going to set it aside. Okay, now, in our big bowl, I've taken some super ripe bananas, where as you've seen from my last video, I had them over there getting ready, and they are nice and plenty ripe. And I've got them ready and mashed. I'm going to take 2 eggs. Once again, cage-free brown eggs. Better quality, better for you. Shop local, know where your stuff comes from if at all possible. And that's in there. Now, I'm going to add my bananas to this. Here. I have my handy dandy spatula to get out all that goodness. We got 1/2 cup of coconut oil. You can use olive oil if you want. I prefer to use coconut oil. It's melted. There we go. Now, I've taken 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mixed it in with a 1/4 cup of my Fairlight milk. That goes in. And then 1/3 of a cup of raw honey. I'm curious, y'all should put in the comments if anybody's watched that Netflix documentary yet. I like to hear what people think. It really opened my eyes. So then we're going to start mixing this. And we're going to mix it for about 2 minutes here. Bringing it all together. So, okay, that's all nice and together there. So now we're going to add our flour, start mixing our flour in. And now here you can use a couple options. If you want to add nuts, you can add walnuts, pecans, something like that. Or you could add dark chocolate chips. Me, I'm going to add some raisins today, just for a little different, as I like to be. Here, I'm going to just mix all this together. Bring it all in. Now, with this kind of stuff, could you use a mixer? Sure, but I like to be a little hands-on. I mean, if I had a KitchenAid or something like that, maybe I'd put it in there just for the sake of it. Here. There we go. Looks and smells fantastic. Grab my pan, spatula, and we're going to pour this batter in. If you want to come around here and catch a look at this, see it there. Everybody can see. Yeah. Yes. Go. And now, time for the fun. We're going to take some bananas and just put them on there. Let's do it like this. Here. Just drop them on like this. And then right on top of there. No right, no wrong. Just fine. So, a couple more in here. Right here. Right there. Alright. So, last but not least, take this little cinnamon, just sprinkle it on. Because what do I say? There's no such thing as too much cinnamon. So now, into the oven, 50 to 55 minutes. Here. We'll see in about an hour when this is done. We're going to take it out, let it cool, 10 minutes, try it, see how it goes. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, so, all done. That was fast. Quick hour. So, we're going to pull her out. Now, we're going to take this and we're going to let it sit. Here. Look at that. That looks fantastic. I'm going to let this rest. 10 minutes. Then we're going to come back, we're going to pull it out of the pan, see how it tastes. We'll see you then, okay? And now we're back. So, it's been about 10 minutes and we've given it time to cool and rest a little bit. So now let's pop her out of here. Nice and easy. Here. Ooh, this looks so good. Now, time to cut. This is going to be hot and delicious. Look at that steam coming off of this thing. So, here's where the big debate comes in. Do you butter, not to butter? What do you do? This is hot, so I'm going to cut this. You can look and see just how wonderful that looks. Here. There. Whoa. I personally like butter on my banana bread. I've been laying off the butter. I've been going for the healthier alternatives here lately. So I'm gonna go with butter today. Look at this. A little bit of butter on there. Well, folks, that's it. That's my healthy banana nut bread. Well, not even nut bread, banana raisin bread. And coming up for you, a little inside on what's coming up. Our next dish, I'm going to be smoking a whole short rib. And then we're going to turn that into a lasagna. And it's going to film the video over the course of about 3 days. So it's going to take a little while to make. But it'll be out the first of next week. Y'all have a great weekend. Hope everybody's been safe, had fun. You have a great day. Peace.